Everyone has these high traffic areas in their house. These areas that always look a little bit dirty. People will rub against them. People scratch the surface. So I'm going to give you guys a suggestion. So this area here hasn't been spackled yet. So what it is it's a finished drywall surface painted with latex white. And then I trowel on. I don't roll on or paint on. I trowel on vinyl material as a sealer. Every country has something like this. It's like a very strong sealer. So what I do is I work it left, right, left, right, left, right with a trowel. I'll show how I do that. So I'll take a little bit of sealer. I put it on the trowel. I flatten it out. I'll go up the ladder. I just want to show you how I do these areas. So I'll just work it in like this. And that seals the drywall paint. And it gives me already a starting point with a texture. I'm texturing this wall already. So that's how I get the sealer onto the wall. I let that dry out completely. So what happens now is when I go to put anything over top of that when it's dry, it shows up a lot different, as if the wall was open, if the drywall primer was only there. So when I put anything on this, it doesn't go in, it stays on the outside. You can see it because it's not able to absorb into the drywall because it's been sealed. So what I always do is I pick 3 contrasting colors that are very similar to each other. And what I mean by that is there's nothing really standing out that's a totally different color. And what I really like about these surfaces is somebody came to repaint this the next year. There's nothing sticking out. There's no volume to this. It's all flat. And that makes it so beautiful because you're not adding immense amounts of texture to the wall. It's always flat, flat, flat because you keep rubbing it in, rubbing it in. So I'm going to show you the 3 different materials I use to create the texture. I've got a white vinyl paint. It's latex based. So I'll have like a white paint. I'll have this is like a drywall compound, but it's very, very plasticky. It has lots of chemicals in it. It's not regular drywall plaster. Then what I do is I mix the vinyl with some white Portland cement, and it gives me a little bit of a greenish tinge when I put it on. It shows up a little bit green. So these areas have been treated already. So basically everything is there that I need. I need to just heat it up with the trowel itself. So I'll just come in here and I rub it up. That's how nice this shows up afterwards. You're basically rubbing in the metal from the trowel into the paint. So I want to show you a spot. This is how it looks before it's been rubbed. So it looks very wavy and as if it's dimensional. Wow, that's hot. Okay, so I get the dimension here now because I've rubbed it. So pick 3 contrasting materials that you can use to create this 3-dimensionality. This white cement, white paint, and this really hard drywall compound, really plasticky drywall compound, has allowed me to make this texture. The only thing I do to finish it off, I've rubbed it. I just come back and seal it again. And sort of a left-right motion. That's finished product here. And what it is that this material is almost scratch proof. It's super tough. You can wipe it down with water. It's super easy to keep clean. So this is a great finish, whatever you want to call it, Venetian plaster, whatever it is. It's a great way to finish off walls, give them three-dimensionality, and very, very durable and long lasting. If you get tired of it, you could simply paint this over and you wouldn't see anything. So when I come back and I have areas that I don't like, I'll just simply come back and add more color. If this is too white for me, I'll put some of the duller compound on top. So the idea is you rub it in and you review it. What's wrong? What doesn't look good? You stand way back. When you stand back, you see oddities and you fix it all up. And this wall is about 10 hours. So well worth it because you're actually getting a really strong permanent wall that is guest proof or child proof or dog proof. And it's not hard to do. You just have to be patient enough. Get the layers on nicely. Here's a really good example. This is the white cement. This is the white paint. So that makes it really possible to get that look, to make it pop, make the wall pop, look like it's actually something different than what it is.